Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh. Today we are going to see how you can automatically lint your code before committing the changes back to your repo. For linting, we are going to use a package called ESLint, and this uses some predefined set of rules to analyze your code and show any warnings or errors. So let me install ESLint by running npm install ESLint as a dev dependency. Okay, so let's wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is complete, we need to create a configuration for the ESLint. In order to do that, you need to run npx ESLint -init. This will ask you a few questions. Choose the answers based on your project requirement. So I need to check syntax, find the problems, and enforce coding styles. And I'm going to use a JavaScript module system, and my project is not a React or Vue, so choose none of these. Does your project use TypeScript? No. And where does your code run? It's going to be on Node. And would you like to define a style for your project? So let me choose the popular style guide and then pick the Airbnb. What format do you want your config file to be in? Let me choose the JavaScript option. And would you like to install the dependencies? Yes. Now this will install all the dependencies to run the ESLint rules. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a configuration file for the ESLint is created. Now we need to run ESLint whenever we commit the changes. For this, we are going to use a package called Husky, which is a library which allows you to configure Git hooks. And this is how you can configure Husky in package.json file. So let me install Husky first. npm install Husky as a dev dependency. Now I need to add the Husky configuration. Let me go back to the npm and just copy that configuration and add that to my package.json file. And I don't want the pre-push, I just need pre-commit. So this is the place where you will put your command. In this case, we don't want ESLint to run on all the files in your repo when a commit happens, but only on the files which are modified. For this, we are going to use a package called Lint-staged. And you can see how you can configure Lint-staged. This is how we configure Lint-staged in a package.json file. So let me install Lint-staged first as a dev dependency. Let's wait for the installation to complete. Yep. And now you need to add the Lint-staged configuration. By default, Lint-staged looks for all the files, all the JavaScript files under your root directory, but in our case we have a source directory. That's where our JavaScript file exists. So I want Lint-staged to check only those files under source and run ESLint as the command whenever change is detected. And in the Husky pre-commit configuration, we need to call Lint-staged command to be executed when a commit happens. Let's commit the changes that we have already done till now. Let me give a proper commit message. Okay, now the changes are committed. Now let's check the configuration that we already did. For this, let me introduce a ESLint error here. I'm going to declare a variable which is not going to be used anywhere in the code. That should raise a error, ESLint error, saying that there is an unused variable. So I have added a variable called test. Now let's commit the changes that we have did now, and let me run the git status command to check. I only modified index.js file. Now run the commit, and here you can see ESLint is in fact got executed, and it raised two errors saying that there is a one unused variable and another one is string must use single quote instead of double quotes. With this we have completed automated linting using Husky. Thank you for watching. Please let me know if you have any comments. Thank you.